Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your love and support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious cake using condensed milk. Yes, condensed milk. Let's get started. Since we are making condensed milk cake, I'll be using condensed milk for it. So I'm using these two small tins of condensed milk. This is the type I can get here. That will give me half cup of 125 ml. I will also be using 1/4 cup of vegetable oils, some baking powder, egg, a cup of flour, vanilla essence. I will also add the evaporated milk, sorry it's not showing here, and some baking soda. I'll leave all the ingredients I'll be using in the description box below. Let's start by opening the milk and then pouring it out into a cup. Then into a mixing bowl, we'll mix all the ingredients, starting with the wet ingredients. I just added the milk, I just added oil and egg and then the condensed milk. I'll mix everything together and add the vanilla essence, mix together, and then we add the dry ingredients. And then into the 1 cup of flour, I just added the baking powder, 1 teaspoon, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix together and then add to the wet ingredients to marry them together. I'm so sorry this video is not clear enough. I'm just adding a 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. Pardon me, please. I'll mix everything together and then we'll pour it into our baking pan. I did not add sugar to this cake. Feel free to add sugar if you want. I'm using only 1 cup of flour and condensed milk is sweetened. The condensed milk I'm using is a sweetened one, and then the milk also is sugary, so I don't want to add sugar again. You can add if you want. I'm also preheating the oven. I've already greased my cake pan with some oil and spread some flour so that when I pour the batter it will not stick to the bottom. I love how smooth the batter is. So after pouring it into the pan, the next thing I'll do is just to tap the pan on the table, shake it so that the whole batter can spread evenly into the pan. I'll now bake in the preheated oven for 35 minutes. And here we have it. Our condensed milk cake is ready, and this tasted so delicious, and it was also soft. I baked this at 200 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. I hope you will give this a try. It is simple and it is also delicious. Thank you all for watching. If you are new here, my name is Henrietta Onyemere. You are highly welcomed. Don't forget to subscribe and also share the video. Thank you all. Bye. Love you. God bless you. Take care.